Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp not sending messages. First of all, and the first thing that you should do is that you should be sure that your WhatsApp app is up to date. So to do that, we go to the App Store and go to look for WhatsApp. And as you can see here, for example, WhatsApp for me needs some update. So you should update your app, because sometimes if your app or if your WhatsApp app is not up to date, so it will not send messages at all. It will be stuck. And the second thing that you should do is to go and to check if your WhatsApp app is really connected to the internet. And to do that, you have to go to settings, after that cellular, after that you scroll down and click on show all. And if you don't see WhatsApp here in the list of the apps, you can search for it, and after that click on it and be sure that it's on WLAN in cellular data. That means the WhatsApp app can use Wi-Fi and data from your SIM card, and not only on WLAN, which means the app can use only Wi-Fi, and not on off, because when you put it on off, the application will be disconnected from internet. So after that, if everything is good, you have to go and check the application and click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen, and after that go to chats and check that everything is good here. You don't have any problem here. So as you can see, all those options here, that you didn't delete the chats or you didn't do anything. And if everything also is good here, we go to the next solution. And the next solution is to be sure that WhatsApp is not having an international problem. And to do that, you have just to wait for a few minutes to restart your phone, wait maybe for 1 or 2 minutes and open it again and check. Because sometimes it's rarely to happen, but sometimes WhatsApp may have some international problems everywhere, so the app is not working for some time, but after that it will start working normally without any problem. And of course, you have to check that the person that you are going to send message for them are connected properly to the internet, so they can receive your messages, and also that they are not blocking you. So if someone block you, you will stop seeing their profile picture and the messages will not be sent to them. And if after all those solutions nothing changed, you have just to try to delete the app and install it again. And to do that, you have to long press on the app, click remove app and delete it, and after that you have to install it again. So if all those solutions didn't work for you, you have to check and open your WhatsApp account on maybe one of your family phone and try to send a message from it. And if the message was not sent, you have to know that there is problem on WhatsApp. The application itself, the problem is not with your phone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.